Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So, before Christmas, if you remember, I got the set of 4 canvases that were the Christmas drinks, the Christmas spicy drinks and hot chocolates and things from the range. At the same time, I actually got this, and it is a set of 3 on canvas 40 by 50 diamond paintings, and they're all full drill, and paid either £8 or £10. I know it was one of those things that I thought, oh, do I really need 3 more canvas diamond paintings? But for the price, I just couldn't resist. You know me, it'd be rude not to. It's a bargain. So I thought we'd have a look at these together. The box has got a little bit crushed because they did send it, look, with just a label slapped on the back, which I do hate. If you're going to send me an item, please put it in some packaging, because it was all gritty. I had to wipe it all down because it wasn't a very nice day that it was delivered. And it was delivered separately to the other item that I got as well. So that was a little bit annoying. But yeah, it wasn't even in a plastic bag. It literally was just delivered like this with a label slapped on the box. So I suppose it's saving packaging and it's saving money for the company, but it's not a very nice experience for the person that receives it. Anyway, that's my niggle out of the way. Let's have a look and make sure nothing's been damaged. I have to say, I've not even looked at it, opened it. I just put it out of the way because I knew I wouldn't get to it until after Christmas. So let's see what we've got. We'll go through them one at a time. So, all right, okay. So we've got your standard little toolkit. It's a white boat. It's just a plain white pen with a single placer. We have got the picture hooks in this one, so that's quite good. And even the little screws to put on them. That's something I'm not sure that I've had before. Okay, lots of little grip seal bags as well. So that's a pretty good little toolkit. They always come with the crystals attached to the back. I'm going to take this off carefully so that I can put them back on again as well, so I don't get them muddled up. But we have got the canvas number there is 1233, and we do have 1233 on the back of all the packets. So at least we've got the canvas number on there. Okay. Oh, that's a bit annoying. So usually you get your key code on a sheet inside, but there is no sheet inside. So it looks like the key code is on the back of your canvas. Oh, that's interesting. Right, so there's no numbers or DMC codes or anything on it. So if you're wanting to kit this up, you're either going to have to use the number on the gems, the letter T there, look, or you could just cut that out or copy that, or even just write it out and put it onto your gems. At least it is on the back though. Some of these that I've had in the past, they've put the writing on the spine, and then when you hang it on the wall, you can see the writing, but at least the writing on this is on the back. It's like an MDF wooden frame, and the sides are MDF as well. A little bit rough when it's been put onto the frame, but I suppose for what I've paid for it, it's amazing. So yeah, not the best quality. Actually, I'm looking at this and this says Art Studio rather than Crystal Art. Let's have a look. What does it say on the bottom? Yeah, I think this is a different company. Wall hanging kits, colours, gem bases, which is your canvases, diamond painting styluses, wax squares, stretch canvases. Okay, so this is a slightly different company to the one that I've had in the past. It's this Art Studio one. Okay, right. So, but anyway, it's a nice picture. It does look a bit muddled looking at it here, so it will need to be done so that we can see what it's like. it is full drill as well. Sometimes these canvases that you get are partials, but this is actual edge to edge. We have got the 1 gem width edge on it, so that the gems aren't completely to the edge. So that's good, because that means as you sort of like handling it or whatever, you're not catching the gems on the edge. So yeah, I spent the early part of last year clearing out all of my canvases already on frames and clearing those out because they took up a lot of room, and now I've bought 3 more. This one will maybe go in my bathroom because I have got a big turtle in my bathroom that I did, but he is special drill, but he's lovely. Hubby really liked that one. He said he quite liked having a turtle smiling at him while he was sat on the throne. But yeah, it looks like a reasonably clear drill field. It's mainly all lighter coloured letters on the darker colours, so that makes life a bit easier for me. Lots of what they would call confetti, so I will probably have to do this one in sections rather than having to do all one colour at once. It's not that kind of canvas. It's going to be replace the cover sheet and just do a square at a time. The gems look pretty good. Oh, we've got a hot pink, yes. Looks like we've got a lot of bags of the turquoisey colour. I'm not going to take them out. I think you can more or less see all of those lovely colours. It's going to be very bright and happy coloured picture. So yeah, okay. Again, as with any canvas, you can look at it and think, oh yeah, they look really good quality drills and it looks a real good quality canvas, but until you actually get doing the canvas and putting the gems onto the canvas, you're never 100% sure. So I don't usually check the sticky, but it does seem reasonably sticky. This is one of the covers where if you do take this cover sheet off, probably put a sticker or something on the front so you know which side is which, because if you completely take the cover sheet off and then you put it back on the wrong way, you could have problems. There is a right and a wrong way on these clear cover sheets, and it looks exactly the same. You just think, well, it's just a piece of plastic, but it's not. One side is fine to put onto your canvas, the other side will stick to your canvas, and when you try taking it off, it'll either be really difficult or it can take the glue off your canvas. Not quite sure how it works, but it does work, and believe me, I've made that mistake, so please don't do that. But yeah, this is gorgeous. We've got 2 beautiful turtles swimming through all these tropical fish. Very nice. Yeah, and we've just got the reflections on the water, look, as they're swimming underwater. So yeah, it's not quite fitting on the desk, is it? Hang on, let me just zoom out a bit. That's better, you can see it a bit better now. I never said I was a professional at this. So that's canvas number 1. And then canvas number 2 is our beautiful tiger family. Look how proud she is of her babies. Oh, that's gorgeous. And it's like a jungly scene, but all flowers and everything as well. So I'm not quite sure where they are. They're definitely somewhere a bit exotic, aren't they? Beautiful. So yeah, I just loved this one. In fact, all 3 pictures I really liked, which is another reason why I thought, well, for £10, yeah, what we're paying, £3.33 for each painting. Yeah, if you saw this for £3.33 in a shop, would you buy it? Yes. It's got the same toolkit again with the little hangers, and yeah, it's just wonderful. They're really nice. Okay, let's have a look again. The key code is on the back. So what have we got? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 22 colours. So they're actually quite quickish ones to do as well. Was this one 22? Okay, Turtles was 23 colours, so just slightly more. But yeah, so it makes them quicker to do because it means that you've not got as many colours. And it also means that the charting is not as brilliant because they've not gone in and put lots of different colours to get lots of different shading. But easy to kit up if you've got a 30 case storage system or whatever. Nice and easy to kit up. But yeah, I love that. And I say, you just can't go wrong for the money. And they do make a really nice picture afterwards as well. So yeah, I think I'm going to have a bit of a jungle, aren't I, on my wall. Okay, so these colours are a little bit more muted because we're a more jungly scene, more greens and darker colours, but we do have the hot pink for the flowers. So yeah, and lots of black. So okay. Yeah, to be fair, I am really pleased with these. I mean, for the money, I just think the value is wonderful. So I would check out the range sale if you can. They do deliver as well. It's about £3.95 postage. But what I tend to do, if I do pay postage on anything, if it's say £4, then I'll think, right, if I order 4 things, then would I pay £1 postage on one thing? And the answer is probably yes. So I don't think of it as £4 postage. I think of it as £1 on each item. And that just makes me feel a little bit better if I have to pay postage. But even paying postage on this would still only make this I do think it was £10. I will have to check. It would only make it like £14 for 3 canvases. So they're still less than £5 each, which is amazing. And delivered as well. And then finally we have our full jungle scene. We've got our Pembroke wax. It must have been the rainy season because there's lots of... well, actually, they look like ducks in the pond. They can't be ducks because this is a jungle. We've got heffalumps in the background there, look. And we've got lots of giraffes. Oh, we've got a parrot there, look, in the trees. And this could be a parrot, actually, as well. I was thinking that was maybe an eagle, but I think seeing this parrot here, I think that may be a parrot. Basic charting, really, because there's not many colours to get all the detail. And they are all round drill as well, so they will work up really quickly. It will be interesting to see. It's probably one of those pictures that when you see it really close up, it's not going to look brilliant. But when you see it from a distance, it will look good. So, yeah, you're going to have to stand back to look at this one. So what are we on this one? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 colours. So yeah, they're all around about 22, 23 colours. I love the bits of masking tape that they've used to stick them on the back. Have we got a hot pink? Oh, we've not got a hot pink in this one. But lots of lovely greens and pinks and oranges and turquoisey blue look there, and a bit of lilac and lime green. So yeah, very jungly, very tropically. So yeah, really, I'd say that I think for what I've paid, these are really good. Dare I go and look in the sales? Probably not. I think I did my sale shopping before Christmas. So the giraffes and the tigers will go on the wall, look, probably in my craft room, because I have got some giraffes and I've got my chameleon and I've got my sloth. That I got from Craft Buddy, so they will look quite good. And then, as I say, the turtles will probably, they might go in my downstairs cloakroom or they might go in the bathroom. I think I'll put them in the bathroom with the other turtle. So yeah, it gives people something to look at. You can lay in the bath and pretend that you're swimming with turtles. Okay, well, just a quick unboxing. As I say, I've not gone through the drills because you can more or less see the colours, but I just thought I'd quickly show you my little purchase that I got. Let me know what diamond paintings you got for Christmas or that you treated yourself to before Christmas, and what you're hoping for in the sales. Okay, if you have enjoyed this video, a thumbs up is always very much appreciated. any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, subscribe to the channel, see what we get up to next. Then you can either press that subscribe button down there, or you can scan the QR code that's on screen now. It does work, it's amazing. I never thought I'd have my own QR code, but there you go. It's free to subscribe to the channel. It's nothing sinister, nothing nasty. It just means you get a notification whenever I put a video up, so you don't miss out on anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everyone, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.